Thank you very much for attending the Ansible Beginners course, and I hope you enjoyed learning. I always aim for a 5-star rating by putting my best teaching techniques in place to give you a smooth and awesome learning experience. If you think I can improve in any areas, please reach out to me by sending me a direct message on Udemy or by email at mmumshad@gmail.com or on Twitter at mmumshad. For learning more on Ansible, to understand the concepts in depth, more real-life use cases, more demos, and more coding exercises, check out the Advanced Ansible course. For a special 86% discount to access this course at a minimum price of $10, use the coupon code BASIC_discount. Until next time, take care and happy learning.